We're getting back to the basics with this reel, so high school students, college students, listen up. This one's for you. Now, have you opened up your brokerage account yet? Or your custodial account if you're under 18 with the help of your parents? If not, go do that now. Like right now, go. Now that you have your brokerage account open, it's time to fund that account. So go ahead and transfer money from your personal checking account to your brokerage account so you'll be able to purchase stocks. And college students, I know that refund check just dropped. Go ahead and transfer some funds. Now, we already talked about how to buy stock, but you can also buy into a mutual fund, index fund, or ETF. They allow you to buy a small piece of many different companies. So if you didn't just want to own one company, you can own small pieces of multiple companies with one purchase at the same time. So for example, this is a Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol VOO. If you were to buy this ETF, you would be a partial owner of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google, some of the major companies all in one fund. So go ahead and take that next step in your stock market journey. Go purchase a share of your favorite company, or go purchase an ETF and own a small piece of many different companies. Choice is up to you. Just stop being a consumer, start thinking like an owner.